this method, which I'm going to share with you, is going to allow you to cash collect $10,000 a month minimum in the next 14 days. And I don't care what you sell because this is proven at work. Okay, so let's go over day 5 of building a 7-figure business in just 7 days. So day 5 is scale. Now, again, like I said, this method is going to print you $10,000 a month no matter what you sell. Right, so let's go over the overview of what this happens. As you can see, it's a free landing page there. One-time sale. As you can see, a bunch of money coming into my bank account. As you can see, my clients are getting insane results simply from just implementing this one thing. Now let's go over what this actually is. So first off, it's a 6-step process which is going to allow you to actually make this kind of money. And it's proof of a concept because people like Andrew Tate, Alex Hormozi, Iman Ghazi are literally implementing this into their business. Okay, so step 1 is I want you to choose one big burning problem that your audience faces. Right? It could be lead generation, it could be sales psychology, it could be traffic. Right? If you don't know what that problem is, you can do it through Instagram story sequences. Right? You can run multi-format polls like over here. For example, which of these challenges keeps you up at night? Run of these for like a couple of days, and you'll get a better understanding of what your market wants. And then I want you to find the problem. Then I want you to outline 5 pillars or 5 steps which your audience can follow to get them from the current outcome to the desired outcome. So what exactly the problem is and how they can solve it through 5 different steps. Now, yes, keep it at 5, okay? Because I'm going to show you later in the video why it's just 5. And then I want you to set the price of this thing under $100 because it's a one-time purchase. So for example, mine could be like $67. It could be $39. Just set it at a specific price under $100. And that is step 1 out of the way. Let us move on to step 2. And step 2 is we're actually going to build up this thing. It's called a workshop and actually promote it. And we're going to be using Claude AI. So not ChatGPT, but Claude AI for the entire thing. And here's what it's going to run. So a hype sequence, a launch sequence, and then Instagram Reels plus YouTube video. So if you don't know how to run a hype sequence and a launch sequence, go watch my previous video on my YouTube video, which is going to go over the entire thing, and go check that out. Watch that, and then I will show you exactly how you have a better understanding, and you can use Claude, right? And then also for Instagram Reels plus YouTube videos, you basically want to set up some sort of ManyChat automation where people comment a specific keyword, right? And a trigger automation comes out and it sends them the link to that workshop, okay? That is building the entire thing up. Then you want to build the program out as well. So you want to use presentations, slideshows, use Claude AI to build the entire thing out, right? So day 1 all the way to day 5. Now we've got to build a landing page / funnel out so we can direct traffic to this and then actually get people to convert. So what I like to use Lovable. So you guys can see my screen over here. This is the exact landing page which I built out. And let me just wait. And this is like one of the best websites I've actually built out, and I built it in 10 minutes, right? Okay, 10 minutes. So add an extra 30K a month of our acquisition ecosystem. This is promoting my workshop as well. As you can see, got the VSO there. What you're going to achieve, as you can see, it's going over the benefits and not the features, what the investment is, what this changes, the transformation before and after, and as you can see, just client results at the bottom over here, and doors close in 2 days and 15 hours. So it's going to be like very urgent, but it's an amazing thing, right? So what I want you to do, I want you to use Lovable.app for this. I'm not sponsored by them, not affiliated by them. Use the Lovable.app, absolutely amazing software, can build amazing landing pages like these out for your business. And another example is this. This is just a website for my business, but it can build out like insane websites. Like, look at this. This was like in 10-15 minutes. All right, what we do, connect with us, right? As you can see, amazing transitions, animations going down. Meet the visionaries, as you can see, connect with us, client results, go up, down. Just like a couple client results. Here are key beliefs. As you can see, this is completely done by Lovable. It literally says down below, edit this with Lovable. So go to Lovable, build a landing page out, use the exact framework which I listed out for you, and you will be guaranteed to make money. Now, step 4 is once the page is built, I want you to deploy the story sequences, and I want you to do a mix of talking head story sequences and text-based story sequences. Now, you get an understanding of what I mean by all of this stuff if you watch my previous video on my channel. And again, running polls, running CTAs, using the timer feature, and you want to make sure you've built up a ton of hype, right? Now, here's how you do Instagram Reels. So you want to create the reel, amplify the pain in the reel, and have a CTA to DM you or comment the word workshop, and then get them onto a wait list. So send them a link to the landing page, and they're going to buy the workshop. Now, step 5 is to run the workshop, and we're going to be hosting it on WOP. So I want you to take payments through WOP or Fame basis simply because it's very convenient for you and the user. There's a low tax rate as well. And yeah, so you don't need to decorate the WOP too much because you've already the landing page is going to carry the thing anyway. Just have the VSL and the copy. I want you to host a 5-day workshop. Make sure you build the content out, record the entire workshop, and make sure you record it. So that way you can put the recordings in the classroom and then sell it later as well, some sort of commoditized service. And then step 6, this is where the real money is made, and this is through the high ticket ascension. So people can book in a one-to-one implementation call with you on day 6. So I want you to give them Source for 30 minutes, right? And then for the next 30 minutes, just get them into your high ticket program, and they will buy because they've been nurtured. They like your content. They love what you showed in the workshop, and they're simply going to buy now. And this is the most underrated hack I've ever built up. And as you can see, Cobra Tate, Andrew Tate is a genius of this funnel. Iman Ghazi, right? Ty Lopez. These guys use this funnel, and you don't understand. You don't see the behind the scenes, but this is the exact funnel that makes them insane amounts of money. And now let's go down the flywheel. So here's the exact flywheel, right? So people invest in the workshop. It's going to become into sales, high ticket sales, right? You get traffic, whether it's organic or paid. Then you have a sales process, so it's a VSO or landing page funnel. Then they go over, like, they buy your paid product, and the entire thing repeats again. Or what they could do is they become affiliates now. So they become affiliates for your product and make money for you, right? While they will be giving you money. And this is the exact flywheel which you can deploy into this workshop to help you make insane amounts of money. Now, if you want help setting this workshop up one-to-one, I'm not going to say book in a call with you and none of that fancy shit. Go follow me on Instagram and send me a text and I'll help you out for free. So peace out.